This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my play of ways, got way too complicated for me.
Oh my God! Wow!
Really just chillin', I'm really just bullin'. Told the bitch get on her knees and me not on your boobies. I cannot mess with the goofies. Bout to Buddha, how I walk around told in the Thule. I'm off the gin and the coke, yo, listen. I called her over for vibes. If we end up fucking, then that is a bonus. I keep it fine like a feather. Think a little 10, but I swear I do better. Leaning my fridge on no plug for the chemist. Heard myself rapping and got a little jealous. I fucked a friend, how the fuck I'ma tell her? Had her legs up in the Ella propeller. She want the clout, Kardashian Jenner. They buy the swagger, don't give me the credit. I drop it, hit it, and do it again and again and again and again. I'm a freestyle, my nigga, don't need me a pen. I see the fake, I don't need me a lens. I broke up with that bitch, but she want me again. Hey, is she forever, man? 80s now, see.
What's good, man, YouTube?
Danger.
It's your boy Petrosificationalism, and I'm back again with another banger. Another day, another vlog. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you are new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Even if you are a returning viewer, subscribe. So, guys, in today's video, as I said, it's another day, another vlog. I'm gonna be vlogging my day. So I've got izinto kumele ngiyozenza zile kwenye podcast wasibizile mina nokelo wami ukuthi la ngasihlaba ngama question yana. I don't know, but okay, sizoya la. We'll see what's gonna happen after, but I know ukuthi uzobuya nayo and stuff. Ngiyangithola. But guys, watch until the end. It's about Petrosificationalism. Let's get into the video.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Flowers on your butt so it can check out for lunch just to shriek up and trying soft life get cash eyes like different brothers want to know different brothers want to know I said I know they do say they kinda leave it as late these are my new make shining ain't come on as you did sexy wanna try and get
Qetile ukugeza ne. Gqoka kuswakale. Pumba jacket from Tamalam Midlam da. And then tattoo yam, but then don't test separate boy calf. But otherwise, check out. Yeah. From Keys Inc, guys. Get your tattoos there. Keys Inc. There's a special Youth Month special from May 20 June to 20 July. So if you use the promo code PetroSA, you get 50% discount from any tattoos you want. Here's the numbers there and the handles sharp. So spot guys, no sisho ngifuna bangisitekile ukuthi ngixoxele ugogo wami imali la and then ngivayisele and then khona sokazi ukukhuphuka mara ukubhalisa akakaqithi acavamele le podcast ukuthi sishaye ngo3 ne. So I came up with a strategy ngoba ngiyamazi ukuthi unjani ngithi hayi mina ngizoyenza ngabo ngoba ngimtshela ngithi kubhalisa anemele ntwana i-podcast besidanga bothunga ubani ne.
Yeah.
Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uhlala late. Isikhathi manje sekuyoshawa 2. Mina ngiqedile yonke into. Yena akakagezi akayenzi next. At least ngithe ngo2 so that ngiyazi ukuthi abe late makaba late kanti hayi early ngo3. Angithola. Otherwise asike si. Guys, ecassette akunagezi and then i-track e-Eskom. Bazosikhipisa ama 6000. Sami ngisobhala ama-game. Ski abangeni. Oh, Franz. Keith ngiyakubona ukuthi Eskom, we are a member of the society. Ngiyakaba. Benimele kusokoliswa ama-Uber. Upalisa bathe size ngo2. Remember? Ngithe yena be ready ngo2, basifuna ngo2. Yena ngwafast ukhanageza so khanageza namanje. Bakangazi ungenza nami ngelele mfethu, makana Uber at least khona. France. Yeah.
Change it right.
Yeah, change it right. Mabathatha it right. So guys, umuntu la kavan palisa simizana. Ubizwa ngeflage, you know. Oh, shower.
Labile.
Nah.
Funi snack.
Something. I'm snack. I'm just worried now. We to get Helena, boy. We're already late. 15 minutes.
Lapho. Fine.
A few moments later.
Okay. Okay, guys. Sisamile, yes. Oh, samile ka. Like you. Kapalisa wanda na kanje. Palisa mawubona le video wanda kanje man. Yes. Oh, samile na oh kuningi. It's not even, I don't know how many minutes manje. Until but you on. The matter of the point is which is figgy, as long as it's figgy, yeah. But manje shikana you kawini and the good in the round so
1 hour later.
As usmisile boma 40 minutes.
Yasingena mngani wami. Phambi
No sula ku wafal pop kuwe kana. Ai wiskebe kushonga kafu dai.
Hola, kamba. Number one.
Yes, ndophuza before singena ngihamba sijike tavern sithole something bese siyabuya. So guys, are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready, Nyana, yabo.
Myself nyana.
Eh?
Tell myself nyana, show selfie baba. Nayi.
Ambanga amazwi uhlaka
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martinent, as you already know. We are back with another episode, and I'm not alone guys. I'm joined by Upetro, no Petro guys, also known as Uprele Palisa, no Petro. So what happened actually?
Okay.
No. Yeah. What's that change?
the money.
Something happens, I ask him
Yeah, how
guys, yo,
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, ne?
Right, so shout out to CM. Please do follow us, Maple Media. Even on my Facebook pages, it's Maple Media.
how to 1 million followers.
Awusemuhle. Bathini ngesipedi masiputsana. Hayi.
Okay, dog.
Oh, Katsila.
Shit done changed, that swagger don't matter, it can go through my veins. It's a rap, tell them go pack up they things. I'ma get it, Euro 10, chop off the range. I know they copy, they impersonate. They just came me like me, let me demonstrate. I put up, made that shit shake, I'm an earthquake. You niggas don't show up on the Richter scale. I'm where the winners at. And these products shapes different, they really show me where the money at. I'm the real reason that niggas moving their shoulders and calling me slap when they see me, that's something to think about. The original, straight from the horse's mouth. If you bitch him and fuck it, we close him out. That was quiet all year and they talking now. Fuck it, I'll tell you. Go against me, it's no problem, I dare you. Can't that to a bitch, but so much. How dare you? It's your real life, we don't do it to scare you. GMG shit, there's no way to prepare you. GMG. No bro, that's on my crib, that's at B&B. I'm on top of the list, no one clearing me. Had to switch up the voice, you ain't hearing me. Swear to God, I done been through the rush, you little niggas ain't scaring me. I'm allergic to negative energy, broke niggas make me sick, don't get near me. I propose to the cash and they marry me. Say hi to the greatest, yeah, that's the better me. And I'm holding a scratch for infinity. Niggas think I might forget what they said to me.
So boy, ish.
Uyava.
Angisava. Ubhalisa uthi cross. Banotshaya ba. Bafethu, mawujump istrata yini? Jump istrata.
You're going on the other side. We're crosser. You're going on the other side.
Akava yini cross?
Yeah.
Hos. Nayi cross ngani wami. I-cross le. Ngis mathematics. Yeah. Oh, shit, okay, I'm moving na. Zikabaka ka yini ngiyayipusha kanti esha, okay, I'm moving na.
Cool, mfana.
Andaba.
Nah,
My
nah,
hands
shower
are
machine.
messy. Like,
So what will come here? Kotola no.
Mara mina sakrele. Banda ngaphandle.
yeah. Basa.
Manga shop. Manga shop.
Kuhlapile.
Manga shop. Ngabona white cherries. Okay. Akawuta. Palisa. Ngithole libuwa kabathu. Uyitheni ya? Uyitheni?
Usho kanjalo vele.
Ah. Buwa ka fast tu. Alas kichopesa. Asadala. Isho lento le. Okusambe.
Amaraka unyesingenela imali.
Noma kakhuluma ecala. Masathenga uqala. Uyangawi. Awufuni ukredi. Usho ukredi. Okay pate. Yetsamo. Yenza na fast. Kwena udlala yafethu. Yabona McDonald's bengamele kube nalama ATM. Na hivi. Chakati buku pesa tabuka.
I don't want to learn
There are days where you're gonna fight, moments you're gonna fight, but there are moments when Tanda you want.
ngikwatile nhleke ngikwatile ukuthi number 1 ekuseni bengithi ngenza inywele bavalile salon and my hair is bad
1 hour.
because I needed to make a plan for my hair bona inywele kanjani bengifuna weekend manje bebavalile salon
Okay, Ricky, hey guys, my sister is pregnant. I'm going to be a father.
Ich bin
Yeah, very happy. Can shift. Can I give you money?
Hi, my name is Arabile. I come back.
Can I give you money?
I don't have money. I do have money.
3252 3152.
3252.
Yaliphumile.
Nakubamba umnyango. Afuni ngenza isine McDonald's ngadla.
Aslamela.
Hayi ngihla yo fucking kiss.
Azokuhlahlela amehlo.
Boy, check here, boy. You so Tana mshana ngicela ube you got it back bafethu ne. You're so cute ne. Like
We are.
meant to be. I just want to do that. Wakuvunyuka kabuhlungu kanje.
Awi. I walk her.
Uhlaka request eh.
la.
Oh. Mshana, amshute lapho. Amshute.
No.
Where's that?
Angazi. And the night tissue. Una kuthangibamba mafethu. Amshute lapho.
Isnebe.
Labangdala into ama-cream nani.
Maybe it's nice.
It's nice. You're not gonna get a taste.
I am.
Forget about it.
You know I am.
No, I'm not.
You know.
I'm also gonna get a taste. yeah guys, so this is the next day. Nomphebeza and namhlanje and sis na 4 years old. Oh my god! Wow! Guys, it's our 4 years anniversary, it's not 4 years manje. But if the thing is now, she needs to study. Because I get Ebola, so she needs to study. I need to go shoot the podcast episode. So unfortunately, this is the end of the video. If you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next vlog when we do something. So how we celebrate you. But see you in the next video, man. Check. Oh. So guys, see you in the next vlog, guys. It's your boy Petrosificationalism. I'll plan something so but stay tuned. For now, let's end the video.